Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name's Imran, and I'll start off with a question. How many people want to see more renewable energy? By a show of hands. Pretty much everyone. And we do too. So one of the things that we've seen as we've been going about this is more and more companies, 140 companies now, are targeting 100% renewables by 2050. You have states like California and Hawaii setting 100% renewable energy targets. And by the year 2040, Bloomberg estimates that one-third of the energy generation in the world will be renewable. And they've actually increased this to 50% by 2050. And we think that's great. But if you're a utility, it creates a few problems. Number one is that you don't necessarily control the generation assets, and they tend to be more intermittent. So they tend to be a little bit less reliable. It's not easy enough to store electricity, so you have to consume what you generate in real time. So what are we working on? How do we make sure that the demand side of the grid is flexible enough to accommodate solar and wind and actually achieve these ambitious targets? We think flexible demand response especially, is crucial, and it's going to be one of the most important resources for the grid going forward. And we're excited about that. But there are some challenges with demand response today. Number one is that it's not flexible enough because of an automation problem and because of a problem with customer engagement. Number two is it's really expensive in terms of you have intermediaries coming in and tracking energy transactions. That often takes a really long time, 6 to 8 weeks according to most of the utilities, and it can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, sometimes even more. So what are we working on? We're using blockchain technology to do a full demand response program, and we think this creates several really cool advantages. Number one, it's fully automated, so demand can react automatically to supply using smart contracts between the utility and end customers, and we work with a variety of third-party IoT devices. Number two, we cut out all of the intermediaries, so measurement, verification, and settlement take a few seconds or a few minutes. And we're really excited about this. We have a pipeline of 20 utility customers reaching 120 million end users, and we're going live actually next week. So if you'd like to know more, we're going to be at the Startup Showcase, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thank you.